Getting tough on polluters. A new draft amendment on air pollution prevention addresses the sources, total discharge, and density of pollutants. Environment Minister Zhao Shengxian explained why this draft is significant.
The amended draft now specified punishment for violations such as discharging pollutants without certificate, excise discharge, and fabricating monetary data.
The draft also has provisions on conducting controls of multiple pollutants, from coal burning to industries, automobiles, and dust, and taking coordinated actions in key areas. The top target of these measures concentrated on Beijing, which has constantly suffered from high levels of smog. It has set out a 6-year timeline to tackle air pollution. The sale and use of coal is to be banned in 2 main districts next year and in the whole city by 2020. During the 7-day session, lawmakers will also review several reports, including a report on urban and rural social security system. They will also deliberate drafted amendments to a series of laws and regulations, including the food safety law and the legislation law. CCTV, Beijing.